All right, Father. Where do I find Rooks?
His location will be top secret. But back in the day, we used to break into BlackNet terminals and steal that kind of information. The terminals are those satellite trucks you may have seen around.
Didn't know you were such a rebel. What exactly did you do before you were a priest?
Let's just say I've had a lot of tattoos removed.
Enough said. All right, got a name. Dr. Samuel Billingsley.
See, he's a head researcher for Gentech. You're getting closer to Rooks for sure.
Let me try something.
Keep moving, you dirty fuck. Get the fuck out of my face. Stay the hell away from me.
Sammy's about to get an unwelcome visitor.
Sabrina! Wasn't expecting you today?
No time for chit-chat, I'm afraid. Your status report was due 24 hours ago.
Well, didn't you get my memo? I'm waiting to see what the effects are on the Suarez family. Both parents are terminal, but the children seem to be exhibiting some fascinating viral outcomes.
Oh, right. The kids with the stage 4 liver cancer.
Yes. What's your point?
Billingsley didn't know anything about Rooks, but I heard something about a Gentech lab experimenting on people.
A lot of the catch and test missions done by Gentech are monitored personally by Rooks. I bet you get to that facility, you'll find out where Rooks is stationed.
This is starting to feel like a wild fucking goose chase.
Tell me that loud. One thing you don't
Father Guerra, I'm at the lab.
All right, listen, James. All these Blackwatch and Gentech places use biometric security. Retinal scans, blood tests, things like that. Getting inside won't be easy.
Relax, Father. It'll be easier than you think.
I have 2 few seconds from taking you in. On point. It's all clear down here. Negative.
Borrow your keys.
All clear. Running situation under control. Hold your shit together, soldier.
Access granted. Head scientist, Dr. Genovese.
Looky here. We got ourselves a VIP. Gonna need access to that room if I'm gonna pick his brains about Rooks.
Stratus 2-4, this is Stratus. Prepare for another sweep. Over.
Stratus, this is Dr. Genovese. Can you do my team a favor and please bring a few of the agitators back alive?
Copy that, Doctor. Shouldn't be a problem. Standard spread?
Yes, please. As wide a range as possible through ages and ethnicities. Oh, but no fatties this time. The containment tanks are too narrow, so we just have to gas the last ones and throw them out.
Roger that, Doc.
Look at us in here. Oh, hell no, hell no. You ain't We gonna need just to let us help, ride please. that right here, son. No. Pendejos. Hey. This ain't for us.
I need some medicine. Someone. I need medicine, please.
Access granted.
Seems to work quite well, actually.
No, negative on that. No scan.
Access granted.
No go. Over. All units, check in with... Quadrant contained. free and clear. Over.
We out of here.
No, sir.
Damn it. He didn't know shit.
Try using his credentials on a nearby computer. There's probably a database that shows Rook's current location.
What happened to you?
I'm at the computer. What do I press?
First, you need
I'm
to...
pressing the red button. Shit. Now the screen's all fucked up. Shit's broken.
Okay, press the alternate key. ALT alternate...
Alt. There's no fucking alt. I got a fucking squiggly line key. I got a fucking key with a triangle on it. What the fuck kind of keyboard is this anyway?
Oh, James, calm down. There should be a button with a blue square on it.
Okay. That's more like it. Bringing up the personnel database. All right. Got the location.
Don't forget to log off.
Yeah.
The more I think about it, though.
Terminal 4 is currently logged on with no personnel present. Please return to your station and commence proper log-off procedure.
Fuck off. I hate computers.